How would it make you feel walking down a dystopian gray hallway, plodding through another day of work? What if you yourself could be transformed by your environment and spread your wings to soar along with your colleagues, as though the mountain winds had lifted you with swirls and undulations of pure mnemonic flow to sweep along the corridors of your life? I want to help take you to that place. First, we'll need some ravens, iconic forms of curiosity and cleverness, mischief and play, problem solvers at their core, ubiquitous in our city. Next, we'll add some wind, whispering tendrils, engaging eddies, uplifting thermals, pulses and gusts, inviting you along for the ride. The ravens start with wood, Alaska birch, layered fawn and mocha grain, telling stories of Alaska, fire and wind, weather over time. I'll cut them out and fill their forms with the movement of air, a personal iconography grown from geranium seeds, and scientific diagrams of water flow, from curlicues and polka dots, from dancing flames and circuses. I carve out depths of texture, tracing around the flourishes, looking for connections which accentuate the whole without cutting off important details. The gaps I fill with layered iridescence, blue and black like feathers in the sun. Then, back on site at the APD, it's time to transform the hard-lined institutional hallways with curving lines and layers, pulsing waves and whirls of wind. While I work, paper shadow ravens hold space for their wooden cousins. At last, our buoyant windscape is complete, populated with playful ravens, showing us the way to keep our spirits aloft and our bodies moving. Our actions and interactions upbeat as we interact in these vortices of collaboration.